This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christine Montilia. Second Floor Carriage Home located on the 8th hole of the Lakes course and just a short walk to the Oak Run Pool and Amp Spa. This spacious and open floor plan offers volume ceilings, 3 bedrooms all with large walk-in closets and 2 full baths. Beautiful decorative 20-inch tile in the great room and both bathrooms. Enjoy the gorgeous Florida sunrises on the spacious wrap-around tiled lanai. Kitchen appliances have been updated and AC is 1 year old. And #XD and #SAW, Pelican Sound Golf and Amp River Club is one of the finest bundled golf communities in Southwest Florida. If you are looking for an active lifestyle, look no further. 27 holes of championship golf, 14 pickleball courts, 8 tennis courts, bocce and boating to the Gulf of Mexico. Located west of Route 41 in the middle of some of the best shopping, restaurants, medical facilities and only 18 minutes from the SWFL International Airport. For more information, review the details below.